2021 Mercedes C300 service overdue reset. When you see that, you have to reset your service. You can reset it with a scanner, or if you don't have a scanner, there's a kind of secret menu. You enter it and you reset it. So what I have to do is turn the ignition off, open the door, close the door, press the ignition once. It's important to be at mileage when it shows mileage. And then these two buttons, you press this one first and this one and hold, and then click this one twice. So kind of do it like this. So hold both and click this twice. 2 clicks. And we'll bring it to this menu. Also, this menu is if you want to replace the rear pads. So this will deactivate the electronic calipers. So also this is if you want to put a car in dyno, you enter this menu and this will deactivate the ESP and ABS system, allow you to dyno it. So now you go to Assist Plus, you click on it, it says switch the ignition on, so now I have to switch ignition to the position 2. But now the lights are on, you can see service be overdue. You go here, full service, go down with this button, goes up and down, confirm service. This depends on the grade of oil you've done. If you just want to reset the service because it's sometimes by date, you can pretty much type any kind of grade of oil, it doesn't really matter. And service carried out, click yes and confirm, and full service carried out. What you do, kind of go back by using this button, go back and go to service, check Assist Plus, service A1 in 365 days. So this is how you do it. If you do not have a scanner like Zentry or any other scanners, Zentry is the OEM Mercedes. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.